All right, what's going on, everyone? Well, as you've been following from our Instagram, we picked up a new motor for Josh's GC. Now, we're pretty much just going to tear it apart. What the guy said was it had some knocking issues, so we're going to take it apart. We only want the heads anyways, because he wants to do a Frankenstein motor on his, what is it, 2.2?
2.2, so 2.0 WRX heads onto the 2.2, and then put boost to it.
Right. So what do you say we just go ahead and take this apart? Yoshi's on his way, but we're going to go ahead and get started.
All right.
Here's a quick update. We got all the top parts off, the intake manifold, the wire harness, we got the cam covers off. We went ahead and made sure that the motor was still on time before it was taken out, and it was. So now we're going to take off all this timing, all these pulleys, and pull the heads off and see if they're good, because that is the main thing we want. Yoshi's joined us, by the way. So let's get cracking. Alright, so we took the oil pan off. There was definitely a spun bearing. It's starting to leak out. Let me focus. Focus. There we go. You see all the metal shavings in there. Don't know which bearing it is because we're stuck on this part. We don't have the tool. Yoshi has it, but I forgot to tell you to bring it. So, but we need the tool so we can take out the cages and take out the heads and check out everything. But yeah.
We're hoping it's just a rod. We're hoping it's just a spun rod, not the crank. We don't want a spun bearing on the crank because that means the block's still usable.
But this is the main part Slayer wanted, the heads. From the top, it looks good.
It's got some scars.
It's got some scarring on the cams. Where is it at? Right there.
A little bit right, Chow. That's nothing some 272s or 280s won't fix.
Right.
Just saying.
Once we can pull the heads off and check out the bottom, I'm sure Slayer will feel a lot better about his investment.
Yeah. Did they put They put fucking silicone on the heads.
Not even the good silicone, like the fucking heat one, the exhaust one. They just use regular gray silicones.
The Felpro head gaskets, they're blues, Felpro blues.
Seems to be the issue with whoever did all this stuff, decided to just go silicone crazy on everything.
This is what happens when you buy a used motor. But doesn't matter, because we know what to do with it. So we're gonna fix this.
Totally kind of know what to do with this. We're what you call professionals. Oh, look at this.
Oh man, there were nuts and bolts everywhere.
Yeah, dude, this thing was dropping bolts and nuts everywhere. I don't know what these people were thinking.
This is the last bolt. I'll tell you that right now.
Oh my gosh. Well, Until the next time, guys. Later.
Bye.
Adios.